Read at normal space 1 minute. Every syllable 1 minute. Smoothing modern tense. Okay. Simple past tense. Model sentence. Read these aloud first. I configure the Azure data pipeline last week. I configure the Azure data pipeline last week. I deploy ML model to production environment. I deployed the ML model to production environment. I implemented the OAuth authentication module. I optimized the SQL query and achieved 40% faster retrieval. I documented I document the full architecture for the stakeholders. Rule: every sentence I plus simple past verb. Never say I am doing or I was doing. For completed actions, your turn. Write and speak 5 sentences about your MLOps platform Azure Databricks. Speak each sentence twice. Okay, so I will start writing. Okay, simple past tense. Yesterday. Okay, simple past tense. Yesterday, I yesterday I am on fasting. Okay. Yesterday I completed course. Okay, not yesterday. I complete that course. That course. I completed that course. Other things. I I yesterday. Walk yesterday. I connected with three data engineers yesterday. And the last one. Yesterday, I did I did video call. I did video call. Okay. Yesterday, I am on fasting. I completed the course. I worked yesterday. I connected with three data engineers yesterday. Three data engineers yesterday. I did video call. No and drill structure. Okay, eliminating and so topic, your data scraping and content aggregation business concept, talking points. Okay, your data scraping and content aggregation business concept. Problem you solve. Business needs structure data at scale. Okay, who your target audience agency, how your selling API pipeline will technically work, why your system is reliable, deduplication, error handling, multi-URL, your competitive edge versus manual research method, and so bank. However, additionally, furthermore, as a result, consequent in contrast, beyond that said, hard stop. Pause 1 full second. Start new sentence. Rule 1. Record 4 methods. Complete. Stop at each sentence. 0 and written. Okay, so I have a business. Let's start again. I have business. I am providing a structured data to other businesses. So this is B2B business. So whenever we are talking about any business, nowadays data is a new petroleum. Data is a new fuel. For every business in the market, everybody needs a data, whichever whatever the data is. It is like some of the contacts number, the addresses, or even if it's the analysis of any person or habits that they are doing. In the new era of AI, the data holds the power. Whoever has the data that can take a powerful decision, that can take a meaningful decision that driven their business, none of the other business can, because their decision based on the data that is actually happening, not the founder what he is imagining. So that's why I came up with the product where I'm coming with the scraping tool. So in that scraping tool, I have multiple scripts, and those are very agnostic to any website. So that is made to scrape the website and give you a structural data. So it can be any restaurant menu data, or it can be pricing data of live pricing data of car parts. It is very useful in terms of when you are approaching the clients. At that time you have live data, and using that live data you can convert the customer, and the customer will trust you more because you have the live data. So when I talking about my target clients, so my main target clients are the restaurant owners. So I will be scraping the entire restaurant from their region or in their area, and figure out like what they are doing differently. So this is the data I will provide, and on top of that you can build your understanding, finding out your finding out your, you can say, action items, and using that action items you can scale up your business like crazy. So for this implementation I'm using Selenium, and along with that also API for each of those websites. So using that we are creating a structural data from an unstructured website. In our script we already handle a deduplication, means you don't see any hotel repeatedly, one hotel at a single times. You many garbage data we already remove using our script. Along with that, many times the things are happening like the website have implemented detection of robots, so our script is inbuilt handling those types of error. So it is going without any error. That's it. So next is star storytelling. Process of fetching 1 minute historical data using Dhan API or Y Finance. Okay, okay. Status. The situation was, my task was step one, step two, step three. Result was show that I can feel glitch. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay. Yeah. So storytelling part is started. You want to earn. No, sorry. Starting. You want to double your income by just starting your EC2, and just your money double in a week. Sounds like very crazy thing, and you might thinking of you have to do lots of work to achieve this. But no, you just need to enroll into our subscription. We will be providing you we will be providing you a script that will automatically place order on your behalf and double your money. So situation is that, and how we are implemented I will tell you in a story. So we have figured out one of the Telegram channel will give you tip. So that tip means it's a that stock, and you have to buy at this point. This is a target, this is a stop loss. Boom, you hit a target and you earn a profit. But between the time of hitting a target and the message. We are getting only 1 or 2 minutes. That is very tricky, and you have to take a look into multiple things like strike price, expiry date, what is a option name, is it going upward and outward, all of those things within a very small time. It's difficult to track that, and lots of time human error will be definitely there. So to avoid that, I want to automate this thing. So to do that, I'm using Y Finance to find out at what price range I need to enter into market, because it's not like when he give him price of 10 rupees. If you enter in a market at a 10 rupees, you might hit at your stop loss, because market never go in a straight direction. It will always go up, down, then jump, up, down, then jump. Those types of behavior of a market. So that's why we need to set a place our order after some buffer. So if the tip has 10, stock tip has a 10 rupees, you have to place your order at a 11 or at a 12 rupees. At that time, you will capture that move of achieving target on a specific in that specific sprint. So that is the important one. That's why I choose Y Finance, and I'm fetching that data into 30-second interval. And when I'm hitting that target, or my bracket is came up, I'm placing my order. Yeah, and this will be definitely a sure short way to get a profitable, because the trader is already profitable and the impact is huge. That I don't need to sit in front of my monitor or in my computer and check that price is up or down, and tracking all of the strike prices and all of those things. All of those things are automated now. I'm just looking into my profit. Yeah, that's it, my first day.